Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Rome, Italy, and I'm at Trevi Fountain. I'm just going to do a little quick down and dirty little video just to show you what I see. Okay, and we're coming in off a side street. So let's take a look here. So this is the little side street, and there are a million tourists to wind your way through. And so you can go this way. Let's try this. I'll try to work my way through this crowd down here. And you can see what Trevi Fountain looks like this way. I always capture it from up above. Huh? So, how many people can you jam in a little tiny square?
Every Monday,
Yeah, crazy. And tourists and such and everything. Oh my gosh. Okay. Pretty amazing. Well, let's get out of here. This is obnoxious. I'll tell you, the best time to be here is like 6 in the morning when there's nobody around. Wow. Alright. Let me get up here and I'll show you more. And then getting out of here is twice as hard. Oop. And you can see people just stepping over the thing with babies and everything. And that's what I'm doing too. There we go. Wow. Wow, wow. Crazy. Alright, my goal was under 2 minutes and a half, but this is a little longer. Anyway, that's Trevi Fountain, everybody. Bye-bye.